So, as you can see, and we're going to be having a quick chat with somebody here on the stand, and we're going to do a little intro. So, quick intro to yourself first, please, and then to VEXXHOST, what you guys do.
Yeah, so I'm Guilherme Steinmiller. I'm Senior OpenStack Engineer at VEXXHOST. So we are a public provider infrastructure. So we provide like infrastructure for hosted, private, on-prem solution. We do consultancy as well. So we have a couple of products here. So we have Ceph standalone. We have Atmosphere, which is running OpenStack on top of Kubernetes, and consultancy to Zoo CI/CD and all of this tooling. So what is most important that we are doing 100% upstream, so no vendor lock-in. So that's what the differentiation is. We have like experience with open source, like 15 more years. We are on the market on 20 years. So that's pretty much it, what we do.
Fantastic. And on the OpenStack private cloud, how does that operate? Is that kind of on bare metal, or is it running on top of Kubernetes? Or what's kind of the stack like?
So it runs on top of Kubernetes. So the project is open source, so anyone can try it out, test it. So yeah, so most of the product actually, so we breathe open source. So we have team members that works from the community, and our CEO has a share on the technical committee of OpenStack. I was a core member of some OpenStack projects, so that's pretty much what I can say about it. So.
Okay, and how? What was kind of the? I know some of the likes of Red Hat, for example, Mirantis, Stack IT, and others have all kind of done the same thing. They're now running the OpenStack service on top of Kubernetes. Is that a open source sort of project that everybody's adopted, or is everybody kind of coming up with their own solution on how to do that?
So that's pure open source. So anyone can go there and try it out. So that's the main philosophy that we do. No vendor lock-in. So you know, like no egress fees that you can like suffer from other vendors and something like that. So yeah.
Fantastic. And what's kind of customers been telling you? People have kind of been talking to you at your booth. What's kind of some of the conversations? What are the challenges that you guys solving for them?
Yeah, most of the challenges are people figuring out ways on how to manage Kubernetes cluster and which providers to use and yeah, most of the people that comes here always struggle with migration from VMware to open source technologies, like and we have like developed tools for that, such as MigrateKit. It's an open source as well, so anyone can try it out, and usually they come for us to support them during this process. Yeah.
Right. And in terms of migrations from sort of platforms like VMware and so on, are you seeing a lot of traction in that, considering kind of the licensing that Broadcom introduced recently?
That was kind of the motivation for us to do this. So when we've heard about all that happened to the tooling, so we just decided to, since we have been doing code for open source lately, so that's when came the idea to develop an open source product for people to do. So yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Well, I appreciate your time. Thanks very much for that. Yeah, we wish you much continued success. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Excellent. So there you go, Saim. That was VEXXHOST.
Oh, good.